morning. Very good morning, children. How are you all? Doing good? Yes. Had your breakfast? Yes. Are you studying, children? Watching video, completing notes and studying. Are you doing this everything? Yes, regularly. Then very good. We will start. Yes, tell me what is the date today? Today the date is 30. We are in the September month. Correct? Yes, 2021. Today is Thursday. We have English subject, right? Yes, English. Yes. Let us see what is the thought for the day. Life has no remote control. Get up and change it by yourself. Okay. Life is not having any remote control. Okay. You should change. You should get up and change that. Yes, your life. Yes. Yes. Then let us start, children. Yes, please take. We completed workbook, right? Yes, we completed workbook. What all we learned? Singular, plural, countable now. I think yes, does. Sorry, I forgot. Does, do. Yes, yes. This is all we completed, right, in previous class. Yes. Now we will start. Yes, English textbook. Okay, we will start from the textbook. We have 4th lesson, right? Okay, so please take out your English textbook part 1. Yes, we completed the 3 lessons, right, children? Yes, now it is time for the 4th lesson. Yes, take out page number 22. Yes, what is the name of the lesson, children? Cocoa learns manners. Okay, Cocoa. Let us see what is that. Okay. Yes. Before that, first listen and say aloud is there. Let us read that S sound, then SH sounds we have. Let us read that. C. S sounds S, right? So seeds. Okay. Sip. Sell. Then set. Okay. Yes, then next SH sound. She. Correct. She. Ship. Correct. Then shell. Then shore. Yes, SH sound. Correct. S sounds S and SH sound sh. Okay. Yes. Then next we have warm up. Look at the pictures given according to you. Which one show good behavior and which one show bad behavior? Yes. See, in this picture, they have given pictures here. You have to tell which is the good behavior and which is the good and which is bad. Okay. This is good behavior, sharing. Right. This is, yes, playing together, good behavior. Then fighting for the doll, it is good behavior? No. Then playing, fighting, making others cry, is it good behavior? No, it is bad behavior, right? Yes. Then next we have, why do you think it is important to behave well? Discuss. Why? Because we should be together, love together, share together, yes, play together, be friendly. That is good for us, right? Yes. If we fight, what we will get? Nothing. Just enemies we will get. Right, children? If we fight. So, no need to fight. Okay, we will be like the friends. That is the importance why we should behave well. We should behave well. Then only our character they will see. If we fight in front of others, our character only will go. Right? Yes, if you share, if you love, your character will go up. Yes, see, very good. See how she is doing. How much they are doing trouble also. She is doing her work correctly like that. So they will praise you if you will adjust and go. Otherwise, you will not behave well. You will fight in front of others. Everybody will tell you bad girl, bad boy like that, right? So we have to be friendly with everyone and we should behave well. Okay. Yes. Then next, let us read the story of a playful dog named Cocoa and learn how a little girl named Aditi taught him to be a good dog. Yes, here one dog, about dog only we will learn. That is Cocoa. Okay. That Cocoa only is going to learn the manners, how to behave. Yes, dogs will not have manners, right? We here one girl Aditi will teach the dog the good manners. Okay, let us see what is that. We will read. Reading the text. Page number 23. Aditi was on her way to meet Kokowa. Kokowa was a small puppy she had found on the street. Yes, here, sorry children, Aditi was on her way, okay, to meet Kokowa. To meet Kokowa only she is going on the road. Okay, Kokowa was a small puppy. It is a small puppy. It has found on the street. It was found where? On the streets. Okay. His paw had been hurted. Yes, his paw was hurted. Okay. In the picture you can see this is the paw. Yes, this is called as paw. Yes, it is got hurt. Aditi had taken him to Dr. Patel. She has taken him to the doctor. His name is Patel. The doctor had liked the playful puppy and kept him as a pet. Yes, he loved the dog and what he did, he kept the puppy as a pet. Okay, it was Dr. Patel who named him Kokowa. Yes, doctor only named him as Kokowa name. Okay, this was because of his brown fur. Why they kept the name? Because the dog was brown and fur. Okay, more hairs are there. So that is called brown fur. Okay. Yes, then Aditi reached Dr. Patel's house and knocked on his door. And she went to the doctor's house and she knocked the door. Knocking means like this. Okay, beating the door. Okay. Come in, Aditi, said Dr. Patel. Yes, Dr. Patel, come in, he said, and he opening the door. He is opening the door. Kokowa jumped up in excitement and ran all over the room. The dog got excited and what it did, all over the room it is making one round because it is very happy, that's why. Okay. Aditi was surprised upon seeing this. Seeing this, she got surprised. Who? Aditi. Doctor uncle, how do you manage Kokowa? She asked. How you manage the Kokowa dog like that? Not very well, the doctor replied. Not very well. He is chewing up everything inside. Everything, whatever he see, the dog will chew. Have you seen chews and dog? It will bite and throw. Yes, dogs are like that only. Yes, yesterday he chewed up the newspaper. See, he has been eaten that newspaper also. Okay, today he chewed up my slippers. Yes, slippers also has been chewed. Okay, dogs are like that. Yes. What bad behavior, said Aditi with a frown. Yes, she got something angry and what she said? She said, what a bad behavior, like this. See, this boy is making his face out. That is called frown. Okay, that is only frown. So she felt like that and she told like that. Okay, Kokowa, behave yourself, she said. She said for the dog, behave yourself like that. Okay. Kokowa paid no attention to her and started chasing his tail. Yes, he didn't listen to that Aditi's words. What he did? It is catching his tail only. Have you seen? The dog will catch its own tail only, biting his own tail. It's like that it is doing. He did that. He comes, wait children. Yes. This was too much for Aditi. This was too much for her. Kokowa, stop it right now. She said angrily. She got angry and she told, stop it, don't do like this, like that, she said. Okay. Upon hearing the anger in little girl's voice, Kokowa sat down. After hearing a angry voice, the dog said quiet. Okay, sit quiet. He did his head behind his paws. Yes, he did his head like this down. Okay, sitting. Okay, dog. Then, Doctor uncles, you must teach him what is right and what is wrong. What she is telling for the doctor? Doctor uncle, you should teach what is wrong and what is good for the dog, like that she is telling. This is how I trained my dog. She is telling this is how I train. Now like this I am shouting and making him as sit down. Like that I am training the dog, like that she told. Kiki is her dog. Okay. Parents love their children, but they also teach them to behave well. Parents also will love us. And if we do anything misbehave, definitely they will shout shout on us, right? Yes, because we have to behave well, that's why. Like that only even dogs, pets also. Okay? Yes. True, Aditi, said Dr. Patel. Yes, Dr. Patel is telling, yes, you are telling is true, like that. Doctor, uncle, I am going to train Coco from tomorrow. Tomorrow onwards, I will give training for the dog, like that she is telling. I will teach him how to be a good dog, said Aditi. Yes, she told how to behave, how to teach him. I will teach him how to behave. Okay, I will make him as a good dog. Like that Aditi said. A week later, Dr. Patel could see the results of Aditi's efforts. Yes, after a few days, you can see the dog is listening whatever she says. Like that, she has given the training for the dog. Okay, so that also doctor saw. Coco was changed puppy. Yes, Coco was a changed puppy. Now it will be changed. Okay. Yes, he followed command. Sit meant that he had to sit still. Yes, sit means it will sit like that. Okay. He meant that he had to walk just behind the master. Yes, when Aditi will say he means it will come back of her only. Okay, like that it will follow her. Paw meant that he had to sit down and lift his right paw on the handshake. Yes, paw means it will give the right hand for shaking his hand. Have you seen? If it asks the dog like this, it will give his hand like this. Have you seen that? Yes, that also she has been trained. Aditi, you have done wonders with Cocoa. Yes, what doctor is telling? Aditi, you have done wonders with Cocoa, like that. He is much easier to manage now. Thank you, said Dr. Patel. Yes, now Dr. Patel is thanking for her because now easily he can manage the dog. Sit means it will sit, come back means it will come, give hand means it will give shake hand, like that it is listening to the whatever his owner is telling, right? Like that. Remember, Dr. Uncle loving Cocoa does not mean letting him have his way all the time. Remember that Dr. Uncle will love the dog, but whatever he does, can we keep quiet? It is biting new shoes and all, can we keep quiet? Again and again we can't buy the new shoes, right? So we should teach the dog the manners, how to behave, we should teach, we should give training. Understand that? It will be easy then, right? It means that we have to teach him to be good dog, said Aditi smiling. Yes, she is telling that's why we should train the dog in a good way. Then only it will become a good dog. Like that she said smilingly for doctor. Okay. This is written by Manjula Shukla. This lesson is written by Manjula Shukla. Okay. Yes. Hope you are understanding this lesson, right, children? Yes. In this lesson, nothing but how to train the dog. That about that only. How to give the good manners for the dog. How to learn. How to teach. How to train. Yes. This is the thing. Are you understanding, children? Yes. The story was nice, right? Yes. Then next we have the page number 24. Let us discuss. I will ask you the question. You should tell me the answer. What is Cocoa? What is Cocoa? Cocoa is a small dog, right? Aditi found in the streets, right? Yes. What did Cocoa do when she saw Aditi? What she did? What that Cocoa dog did? When Cocoa saw Aditi, he jumped up at excitement and ran all over the room. Yes, all over the room. Excitedly he is running. Third one. What did Cocoa do to Dr. Patel's slippers? What he did? He chewed them, right? He chewed that. Yes. How long did Aditi take to train Cocoa? How long she took the time to train the dog? Aditi took 1 week to train the dog. 1 week is enough for her. See, she have been trained the Cocoa. Yes? Yes. Next we have, yes, words, new words. Okay, words meaning. So you have words. This is your homework, children. Words you should write. Okay, words. First one we have paw. Yes. So you have here in last page you have, say, in glossary page number. There is no page number, children. At last you can see in glossary. Okay. First one is here paw. Right, P-A-W. So where it is, you should search from P. Paw. P. C. Paw. I already marked. See, paw means an animal's foot. Okay, that you should write here. Then knocked. What is knocked? K. You should see from K. Where it is K? See here, knocked. Made a tapping noise on a hard surface, usually a door. Usually a door. Okay, this you should write here. Then next, chewing up. Chewing up. See where is C? See here. Chewing up. Biting something. Biting something. Write down here. Then frown. F-R-O-W-N. Where is F? You should find in F only. Frown. See here it is. Frown means to make an upset face. To make an upset face. Okay, write down. Then paid no attention. Paid no attention. P. Paid no attention. P. See here. Paid no attention. Refuse to show that one has heard or seen someone to ignore. This you should write here. Okay. Then next chasing. Here you should write, children. Next chasing. See. Okay. Chasing here. See chasing here. See, can you see? Yes, chasing. Running behind someone to catch hold of him or her. Okay, that you should write here in the last here. Okay, complete this and send it in the group for correction. Okay, then one more homework is there. Third lesson notes you have not completed, right? So I will send the third lesson notes. Okay, how much for a coconut? That lesson notes I will be sending. You have to complete it, okay, and send it in the group. Read the lesson, read the meanings and read the notes I am going to send, right? That also you should write and read also. Okay, yes, then today this is enough. Okay, we will meet you in the next class. Bye.